Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic weekend and a great start to this week. Boy, weather over the weekend. It wasn't Saturday, just beautiful. Temperatures in the mid-50s, low 50s yesterday, and we did even better than that. We'll get to that in a second, but this was pretty much our situation for all of us around North Central Washington today. Our Wahitas tower cam looking down at the expansive area around the Hanford area, and you can see a lot of clouds that way with just a little bit of blue sky, and that's pretty much our weather story in the Wenatchee Valley this afternoon, but very warm today. But over the next couple of days, there will be a weak storm system moving through the Pacific Northwest, and that'll bring light precipitation mainly to eastern Washington. But what we are keeping our eye on is winter travel on our area passes. We could see some slick roadways, especially tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning, as this system does drop a little bit of light precipitation, but the temperature just cool enough to freeze on those roadways. So if you're heading over to the west side the next couple of days, be extra careful. Today, we almost set a record high, 61 unofficially today. 62 is our record, and it was just set 5 years ago in 2020. Our normal high, 48 for this time of year, so 13 degrees above normal today. Look at that beautiful overnight low, too. 43 degrees, 12 degrees above where we should be at 31. Our record cold, 10 degrees, and that was set in 2019. Sunrise now is at 6:36, and our sun sets at 5:50. All right, getting you into those Tuesday temperatures, a big difference in temperatures. Most of us are going to drop at least 10 degrees tomorrow. 51 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, and even 50 in Quincy. Back to the west then and to the north, Wenatchee, Entiat, Chelan, and up into Omak, basically in the upper 40s tomorrow, which will be about a 10 to 15 degree cool down. 46 in Leavenworth and 47 the high in Kashmir. But the thing about these temperatures, they're all about normal for this time of year. Today, definitely not a normal one. Tonight, increasing clouds. There's our next weather maker. There's the bottom of the trough of low pressure as it pushes into the Pacific Northwest. There are the clouds associated with that. We'll see increasing clouds tonight. Low temperatures still pretty mild into the mid-30s. For Tuesday then, as that system kind of pushes through, not much for precipitation here. We will just see some clouds and some cooler temperatures. Highs on Tuesday generally in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. By the time we get you to Wednesday, partly cloudy skies. We will warm up just a little bit on Wednesday as another ridge begins to build in. Our highs right around that 50 degree mark for our midweek Wednesday. And then as we get into the end of our week, into Thursday, lots of sun. There's high pressure in the Pacific. The ridge extends all the way up into British Columbia, and we'll be back to the beautiful weather. Sunny and warmer. We're talking mid-50s for highs on Thursday, and we're going to stay that way on Friday. Beautiful way to end our work week. Maybe a few high clouds out there for Friday. Highs again well above normal into the mid-50s. And then for our weekend, things get a little bit more unstable as another area of low pressure begins to push in. We'll see mostly cloudy skies on Saturday, and there will be some showers in parts of Washington, maybe even up in the Twisp, Winthrop area for Saturday. Low to mid-50s for highs on Saturday. And then by the end of the weekend, that low pushes onto the coast of California. Another low parks itself in British Columbia, and that could bring us about a 20% chance of very scattered rain showers on Sunday. Still mild, though, with high temperatures in the low to mid-50s. 7-day forecast, 34 overnight tonight. Look at that cool down. 48 tomorrow. We'll see 50 with partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, and then back to the warmer weather, especially for Thursday and Friday. All kinds of sunshine by the end of the week in 54. Still mild as we get into the weekend, but a little more unstable. Clouds for Saturday and 53. A chance for showers and mild on Sunday, with a high then also of 53 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Dan Kuntz and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.